Hello and welcome back. My name is Faisal, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall VS Code on Windows 10 completely. I've got some extensions installed on my current VS Code environment. So if you go through the traditional uninstall route, which is right click on the start menu and go to Apps and Features. Now search for VS Code, click on Microsoft Visual Studio Code here and click on Uninstall. Hit Uninstall, select Yes here. We've got an error message saying that VS Code is currently running, so we need to close the current instances of VS Code. So let's close this window here and click on OK here. Okay, VS Code has now been uninstalled. Click on OK. If we try to reinstall VS Code again, you will see that all the extensions that we previously had in our environment are still there. So let's try to reinstall it. Click on accept the terms and conditions. Yes, okay. Now click on finish. Now if we click on extensions, as you can see, our installed extensions are still here. So to properly uninstall this, so what you need to do is, let's close this window again and let's close this window and let's come here. Let's click on uninstall. Uninstall, click on yes. Okay, now VS Code has now been removed from our computer, so we can close this window here. Next, what we need to do is right click on the start menu, click on run. Now in the search box, type %appdata%, and then click on OK. And here you can see there's a folder called code. This is the folder that has all our current settings that VS Code remembers every time we reinstall VS Code. So if we need to get rid of all our settings that we previously set, we need to delete this folder here. Right click and click on delete. Next thing we need to do is go to run again and enter this user profile VS Code /extensions and click on OK. And this folder contains all our VS Code extensions. Right click this folder and click on delete. So if we try to reinstall VS Code again, now click on finish. You can see we don't have extensions and everything is restored to the default settings. That's how you uninstall and reinstall VS Code. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video informative. Please consider to share, like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.